Okay, so this is the access panel. Got to start by taking, there's a screw here, off. I'm just going to be using drill. What size is it? 5/16. So 5/16 nut driver or bit with the drill will work. There's also two in the front. So this is kind of what it looks like. So the orifices are in here. So the 80,000 BTUs, the model we have, comes with 5 orifices we got to change out. It just has different size hole than natural gas. So we got to take this, loosen this tube up, pull it out, take out the natural gas orifices, and then put these new ones in. So it doesn't really move because it's anchored down here to this valve. So you can just rotate it out just enough. Let's see if I can kind of move it. Rotate it out just enough where you can get access. Now you need a 12mm wrench, and you just take these out off. Okay. Hold on a minute. So these are the old ones, and it looks like they actually put silicone right here, like where they screwed them in. So I don't know if I should put silicone back in when I put the new ones on, but that's what they did. I probably will. I got some high temp silicone, so I probably will. Anyways, I don't know if you can see the focus. So the natural gas have a larger diameter hole, and then the liquid propane, the LP, have a little bit smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the new 5 ones in here, and then I should be able to just mount this back in. Okay, so we got these orifices done. Next thing we have to do is on this regulator, there's this cap right here, And we got to take this cap out, and then there's an adjustment screw in there and a spring. Now, they give you the replacement one. This is to convert natural gas to LP. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay. Anyways, here's the spring. Here's the new adjustment screw, and this cap is black, I guess, to give an indicator that it's converted to LP, where this cap is silver. It's just how they can tell the difference. So all I got to do is just go ahead, take this out, and do these just the way this comes back out. Okay, so I have this adjustment screw in here. And what it says is to tighten it all the way and then loosen it counterclockwise 1.5 turns. So I went ahead, well, I take 2 hands, but I went and tightened it all. Now I gotta just loosen it. 1, 2, 3. So that's what it says anyways to do. Just loosen it 1.5 turns, and then you can test it out when it's actually installed to the gas. Now I don't have a way to test it, so we're gonna go ahead and just do what they said and hopefully it works. Okay, so I went ahead and got that swapped out right there. These are all done. Now I can simply just mount it back, put this cover on,